Right now, sitting inside the trash can in your kitchen or sitting out on the curb in front of your house is hundreds of dollars in hidden raw commodities that you are paying the city to take away. Every single week, the average American family throws away tons of high-grade copper, dense hardwood, organic plant food, and valuable recyclable materials without giving it a second thought. But while most people view household waste as disgusting clutter, a smart group of quiet hustlers is turning everyday trash into a full-time income, with zero factory sourcing, zero import fees, and zero paid advertising. Today, we are breaking down the exact step-by-step roadmap on how you can turn household trash into cold, hard cash, how to extract hidden value from everyday items, and the exact local markets you can use to liquidate your trash for pure profit. Let's start with step number 1. Harvesting kitchen waste into black gold. Every time you throw away coffee grounds, eggshells, vegetable peels, or cardboard packaging, you are throwing away high-nitrogen organic material. Instead of letting it rot in a landfill, you can use a process called vermicomposting to turn it into worm castings. By setting up a simple plastic tote bin in your garage with a few thousand red wigglers, a specific type of composting worm, your daily kitchen waste is converted into organic, nutrient-rich soil within a few weeks. In the United States, organic plant enthusiasts, local nurseries, and home gardeners pay up to $3 to $5 per pound for pure worm castings. Your raw materials cost literally $0 because you are feeding them your dinner leftovers and shredded junk mail. A small garage setup can produce dozens of pounds of premium organic soil every month, turning daily scraps into a continuous local cash flow. Step number 2. Urban mining and scrap metal extraction. Look around your house or your garage. That broken toaster, the old extension cord with a frayed wire, or the dead microwave sitting in the attic are not junk. They are compressed metals. Every electronic cord sitting in your trash contains high-purity insulated copper wire. By taking a simple handheld wire stripper and peeling away the plastic insulation, you extract bare, bright copper wire. Scrap yards across the United States pay top dollar per pound for clean copper, aluminum, and brass. Instead of throwing away old appliances, you can disassemble them in 15 minutes using a basic screwdriver set. Separate the heavy steel frame, the aluminum heat sinks, and the copper electric motor windings. When you drive up to a local scrap yard, they weigh your sorted metals on a scale and hand you cash on the spot, turning broken household electronics into immediate money. This brings us to step number 3, micro-reselling niche collectible garbage. You would be shocked at what people buy online that most households toss directly into the recycling bin. Think about empty perfume bottles, vintage wooden wine boxes, empty candle jars, clean egg cartons, and even toilet paper rolls. Local crafters, wedding planners, and chicken keepers across the United States actively buy these items in bulk on platforms like eBay or Mercari. For example, local backyard chicken owners constantly need clean cardboard egg cartons and pay 50 cents a piece for them in bundles of 50. Artisans buy empty luxury perfume bottles for DIY home decor projects. By simply saving specific clean containers instead of crushing them in the recycling bin, you accumulate free inventory that you can package and list online for pure 99% profit margins. Step number 4. The pallet and heavy-duty cardboard arbitrage. Walk out to any residential neighborhood on trash day or look behind local retail strip malls. You will see pristine wooden pallets and heavy-duty, double-walled moving boxes stacked right next to the dumpsters. Residential movers spend hundreds of dollars buying fresh cardboard boxes from moving companies. You can collect clean, undamaged moving boxes and heavy-duty wardrobe boxes from your neighborhood, stack them neatly, and list them on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp as complete moving box packages for half the retail price. People moving on a budget will drive directly to your house to pick them up and pay you cash. Additionally, local pallet recycling yards pay anywhere from $3 to $8 for every undamaged wooden pallet you bring to their lot, creating an instant cash for trash trade-off with zero sales friction. Step number 5. Curbside furniture refurbishing and upcycling. In high-income suburban neighborhoods, people throw away solid wood chairs, dressers, coffee tables, and nightstands simply because they are redecorating or moving out. Most of this furniture is not broken. It just has minor scratches or an outdated color. This is where the upcycling market comes in. You pick up these free wooden pieces on trash night, bring them to your garage, and spend 2 hours cleaning them, sanding down the old varnish and applying a fresh coat of modern matte black or sage green paint. Change out the old cabinet handles with modern brass hardware that costs a couple of dollars. By investing $10 in paint and hardware into a free discarded wooden dresser, you can list it on local buy and sell apps for $200 to $300. Suburban buyers love buying hand-painted solid wood furniture, making this one of the most lucrative ways to convert local waste into serious wealth. Step number 6, turning trash day into a local service route. Once you master extracting value from your own home, you scale this business by offering a localized service to your neighbors. Many homeowners have old mattresses, broken lawnmowers, or piles of backyard junk that the regular city trash trucks refuse to pick up. You place a simple listing on local community boards, offering a low-cost junk removal and scrap pickup service. You charge the homeowner $50 to $100 to haul the unwanted items out of their yard or garage. You get paid up front just to remove the junk. Then you sort the haul. Sell the scrap metal to the scrapyard, repair or flip the good furniture online, and dispose of the remaining useless trash. You are essentially getting paid twice, once by the homeowner to clean their space, and a second time when you liquidate the valuable raw materials inside the junk. The microeconomics of starting a business with household trash are unmatched because your input cost is absolute zero. You are completely bypassing traditional manufacturing, factory imports, and high ad spends. You are taking discarded commodities that society considers worthless, applying basic labor, sorting, or simple restoration, and extracting pure liquid value through existing local buyer networks. It is a completely recession-proof hustle because people generate trash in every economic climate, and the demand for discounted refurbished goods and raw scrap metals only increases when times are tough. By shifting your perspective and viewing everyday waste as raw inventory, you can build a highly profitable, self-sustaining micro-business right from your own garage. That is the complete, real-world roadmap to building wealth from everyday household waste. If you found this unique breakdown valuable and want to see more hidden economic opportunities hiding in plain sight, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Microeconomics. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, let us know which trash-to-cash method you are going to try first, and we will see you in the next video.